Hello, we will be downloading the app our team has been developing, ShortEase. ShortEase allows users to sign into their YouTube channel, download their videos, edit with a variety of options, and upload directly to the channel, all within the app. The app uses a library that communicates with OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect to authenticate the user through their Gmail account. If there are multiple YouTube channels associated with an account, it gives an option to select which channel you would like to pull the videos from. After authenticating, it then creates a token exchange request, which will return an access token, which is needed to perform calls on YouTube APIs, such as getting videos and uploading. It then uses this API to pull the associated channel ID, which we use to retrieve all the videos from the channel. So, press sign in with Google, and it opens the OAuth. We already have our account saved. And there's only one channel, so it pulls the videos from it.
Right. Once the user signs in, they'll be led to the first page of My Videos. From here, the user can choose to click on their profile icon, and they'll be prompted to either sign out or select a language. In this example, we can change the language to Spanish. So as you can see, the title changes, and we can like scroll through the other tabs as well. Just see. Yeah. All right, now we'll switch back to English. The user can also search through and look for a specific video, and that will match with the filtered list. And the user can also click on the download icon of each video, and that'll be prompted to download with a specific quality. So if you click on small, yeah, so the video has been downloaded and saved in my video, in saved videos.
So once the video gets downloaded, it comes to the saved video section. This section is where basically all the downloaded videos are shown, and basically there's multiple options. You can either delete a video if it was downloaded by accident, or if you're done editing it, or you can choose to edit the video itself. And on the third tab, once we can show the third tab, it's right now it's empty, but once the video is completely done with the editing process, it will be shown in the third tab. So if we can edit a video, so we're just choosing this video because it has metrics that specifically for the most watched statistics. So if we click on the cropping feature, so this cropping feature basically it allows the shrinking of a video to a specific time length, and that can be done with a slider. So if you just so and then another functionality of the cropping section is the fetching metrics. So what the fetching metrics does is it basically calls an AWS API, and it's a web scraper that basically gets the heat map and returns the most watched statistics. And if we click apply metrics, it will shrink the video to the most watched. So for this example, the most watched portion of the video would be from 0 to 18.7 seconds.
Yeah, and moving forward, we're going to be talking about adding subtitles. So when I press on this add subtitle icon, we were prompted with a pop-up that says create subtitle, in which there is a field for the user to enter their desired text. There is a position drop-down, which there is 3 pre-selected positions on the page where there's top, middle, or bottom. And then they can also adjust their font size as such. And just like the cropper, there is a slide on the bottom where the user can write or move so that they can change where they want their like the pop-up to or subtitle to appear. So for the sake of this subtitle, well, as a test, we'll just put test, and after clicking add subtitle, we can see that we've been, there's a pop-up that says successfully added. And if you want to see where they're added to, you click on current subtitles. That will display a list of all the subtitles in which a user can press X, the X button, if they want to remove it. So going back now, you can see that there are no subtitles anymore because we removed the only subtitle that we had. And then say, for example, we want to add another one, you can just put like that, and then they could do add subtitle again. And once they're done with it, they can just click confirm. And then moving on to the audio, there's a slider again, which the user can slide around from 0 to 100, and it'll just do it'll be a percent of the original audio. And yeah, moving forward, let's talk about the filters.
Yeah, so let's move to the filters. Right now, the scale goes from 0 to 255. It's a YUV scale. And we just took the luminosity, which is just the Y value, and we allowed the user to customize the video with different levels of brightness. So for example, if I was to move the slider, I could see the shade that would be applied on top of the actual video. So if you were to slide it to the extreme right, you'd see that it'd get darker and darker. But for the purpose of this video, we'll just keep it at like 10%, 20%, because we don't want, the video is already like good quality. And basically, now that we've applied all the desired settings, we can just hit the next button at the top. So this is the generating page, and basically from a user's point of view, it's just generating the video in the background. But in the background, we are essentially just running every single metric and crop, audio, subtitle, and luminosity filter, and basically just getting it to work and outputting them one by one. And then basically it just outputs to the preview page.
Yep. So now when the user makes it to the preview page, they're given a couple options. So they're able to, as you can see, their edited videos is now playing. And they also have two options in the bottom. One is to download the video to your local device, and one is to upload to YouTube. So for now, we'll just go through the download flow. So if you press the button on the left, then we can press a video title that they want. So suppose just like testing video. Yep. And then we can press confirm. And we see that the prompt, the video has been successfully downloaded. So now if users go to their local storage, in this case, since it's the Pixel, it'll be your Google Photos. Yeah, we can see it creates a new folder for ShortEase just so the user knows that it's the edited video. And if we press on it, yeah, we can see the subtitle that's been added, which is like and subscribe. And if we go to the details, we can also see that it's given the name that we initially put into the prompt. So once that's done, we can go back to the application. And if we press the home button now, we can go through that third page that was previously empty, which is the published videos. So if we press that, we can now see that they have the new video with all the edits applied to it. And this is fetching it from the storage that we already have. And from here, the user can either delete the video once it's been uploaded, which we'll go through next, or they can go back to the preview page. So we can press that paper airplane there and press confirm.
Hello everyone, this is
And yeah, the preview page is back up, and now we will press the right button. And the right button will basically, from the channel ID we got, it will be able to upload it to your YouTube channel. So we can add any sort of title, description, tags. Yeah, I guess we can just go with test again, that's fine. And then description, just enter any sort of dummy value. And all of these can be edited again in YouTube itself. So if we just press upload, we can see that the video has been successfully uploaded. Now we can look at our YouTube channel where we should be able to see our newly edited video. So if you just refresh.
It'll take a couple seconds
Yep.
to show.
While it's being uploaded, Honey, do you want to describe the deletion features of like the videos?
Yeah, so for the videos too, like there's also like more features that we can add. We can also go through the delete. So if we go to the home page, So these are, once again, we saw these. We've already downloaded one, so if we go to the second tab, yeah, so we can also delete the video. So suppose we've just uploaded the video and we're now done with it. You don't want it to take up your local storage. We can just press the delete button and we can confirm the delete. So now the video is officially off your storage. And if we go back to the first tab, we can see that it prompts the user once again to download the video since it can't find it being downloaded already. And this is available for each of the tabs wherever the delete option is present. And perfect. Now we can see the video upload, and for the thumbnail, YouTube takes a while for it to generate the thumbnail if the user doesn't specify. So right now this is just all based on YouTube. It's just automatically generating the thumbnail from the video that was uploaded.
Yeah, and right now that we've finished with the video, we can just delete the finished product because it's already on our channel. And in the second tab too, we can delete that one because we don't need it anymore. And then now that everything's done, we can just hit sign out and then finish with our. And yeah, that's just our app.
We're back after a couple of minutes. As you can see, the video has finished uploading and it automatically created a thumbnail. As you may notice, it's not a shorts, but YouTube's creator has an option to remix the video into a shorts. So if you can click the video, as you can see, we have the title and the description shown, and the video is fully edited.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. She wanted to know what a hot dog scented candle smelled like.
Right? And that's everything.